So basically, you're working with a small group of kids. They start talking out. You know they know what to do. But instead of saying something like, guys, stop talking, or I'll wait. You could be waiting for days, all right? Or, hey, haven't we talked about this before? What do you think we should be doing right now? Now, I may or may not have said to you this in the past, but I am not a questioner. I do not ask kids a lot of questions. Critical thinking is different than asking questions around behavior. I'm not going to say, what should you be doing right now? What have we talked about? I'm going to just interject what you need to hear, because that's what the adults should be doing. So I say, hey, talking out right now is disruptive. You know what to do, not what should you be doing. So it's a different way of thinking, but I want you to just think about how you might get a little more bang for your buck. If every time you're going to ask a question, if you can turn it to kind of more of a directive, it's going to be a little more useful.